All you need for this delicious TM6 ice cream is some frozen bananas and cocoa powder. It's virtually fat-free. You'll need to freeze your bananas ahead for this recipe. It also calls for ground almonds, but today I'm leaving them out. Next we'll add the cocoa powder. The recipe calls for 5 tablespoons, I only added 2. You can check the taste at the end of the recipe and add more if required. Now it's time to add half of our bananas. I recommend that you freeze these in a single layer. Once frozen, transfer them to a freezer bag. Now we'll blend for 30 seconds, speed 7. Now using a spatula, scrape down the sides of your mixing bowl. I know it doesn't look much like ice cream yet, but trust me, we'll get there. Now all that's left to do is add the remaining half of our bananas. Pop back on your lid along with a measuring cup and we'll blend again, speed 7 for 30 seconds. A quick look in the bowl and this looks perfect. Transfer to a freezer-proof container and this is the consistency we're looking for. This is a great way to enjoy ice cream whilst you watch your waistline.